Well, we're dealing with suffering. What is suffering? People say, I don't like it, I don't want it.
Yeah.
You know. So first, it might be useful to get what pain is and what suffering is. And as we do that, then we also need to get what pleasure is. And happiness, depending on what we're talking about, is. Tell me how to arrange it so that I don't suffer. Yeah? I only feel pleasure. See? Well, see, the problem with that, again, is that's what you're already doing. That's already your commitment. You're already trying to do that. And, failing. Okay? See, which is to say you succeed and you fail, you succeed and you fail, right? So you feel pleasure, you feel pain, you feel pleasure, you feel pain. Yeah? And there's a reason for that. Now, having everything being determined by circumstance is one, survival relating to circumstance, right? But also your self-beliefs and assumptions, see, produce a lot, see, that are unnecessary. Yeah? See, so this kind of stuff that you've got running on about ideals and stories, stuff like that, you may not notice that produces suffering. So if you wanted to tackle suffering, see, I got involved in spiritual work because I want to get past suffering. But you're already trying to get past suffering. It's what you've been doing your whole life. That's the name of the game. It's called survival. It's called self. See? That's what we're trying to do there, yeah? And, not always succeeding. And one of the reasons, see, a large swath of not succeeding lies in that domain. I say, that what you think, isn't, that should be. And you don't see it. So you don't see it. There's a large swath, a lot of stuff that runs that isn't, that should be. See? That keeps you suffering or dissatisfied or incomplete. Or resisting, stuff like that. Yes, sir. Yeah? No?
Stuff that isn't, that should be.
Yeah.
Stuff that isn't, that should be.
Yeah. Yeah, stuff that you're not experiencing or you don't have right now in this moment.
Right, it's not
that should be.
Right.
Yeah. That's one way of talking about desire.
Yeah, it seems like that's a good recipe for some pain.
Yes. Yes. My point exactly. I'm trying to get that across. Yes. And that's totally doable. That's totally fixable. See?
Yeah.
See? You don't think it is, but it is. You just change the way you think. Change what you're doing. Change your perspective,
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please consider joining a workshop. They're more powerful than you think.